Happy Gifts Day, you all. Happy Gifts Day, you all.
Happy Gifts Day, you all. Guys, thanks for your support and all of your precious gifts. Whee!
We're gonna unwrap them all, right, Sue?
Wait, we have agreed on just a couple of them. Alrighty, woohoo!
Hey, watch your pile.
Huh? We've only got these accessories? But Sammy, I made several wish lists. What happened?
Maybe I sent the same list to everyone.
Okay, what should we do with these? We don't have enough room to store everything, Sammy.
Let's make an organizer, a new storage place, and a cool craft to cheer up the viewers. Come on.
Yay! Hi guys, we're gonna celebrate Gifts Day, one of the most famous holidays in Tibidabo. With a surprise, a new cardboard craft.
Yep, we've been making cardboard stuff for ages now.
I've already lost count. Maybe this craft is an anniversary one.
Guys, would you take the challenge and find that out? Push forward, my Sherlock slimes.
Oh yeah, great slime detective. Guys, how many of Sammy's alter egos do you know?
I'll give you some time to remember while Susie's cutting out the pieces. Ready, set, go!
Okay, you dress up as an artist, a builder, a cook. Did I miss something?
Yep, a whole bunch! Here, it's your penalty for being so inattentive. Ugh.
I guess it's more fun than bad, right guys? I love picking the designs for our crafts.
No, Susan, bad taste choice here. This one will be much better.
Thank you, Mr. Designer. That was one of your alter egos I've missed.
Guys, you remember me, right? Give me a thumbs up then.
This one's done. Now let's glue the other textures too.
We're not only good at crafting, but at magic too. And we're still learning. Whisk.
Oh.
Haha!
Yeah, so subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss anything, guys. The next step is to put all of the pieces together. Side walls go first, from the left and from the right. Sammy, bring the back side, please.
Why is the heaviest part always on me?
Because you're the strongest slime we all know, right, guys?
Yep. My fans know that I've been eating their likes and have become super strong. Susan, we can't finish on that. We need drawers and stands for all the jewelry.
You're right. So where do you suggest we should start from?
Turn to basics and cut the pieces for a drawer.
I should have guessed. Guys, you know what to do. Line up the pieces and cut.
Be careful using a cutter or scissors. For me, safety comes first. And pretty designs go second. Susie, help me.
Tough choice. Let's take this one. Here comes some glue.
So much stuff is going on, right? I'll show you everything at once.
After that, assembling the drawer will be just a piece of cake.
I heard someone say cake! I'm ready to continue our celebration.
Oh, you sweet tooth. We'll defo eat some cake when we're done, okay?
Guys, eat something yummy for me too, and stay tuned.
We did it! The first drawer is ready. How are you feeling, Sammy?
Whoa, a bit dizzy. I better get out of here.
We're landing! Oops, the landing strip is quite busy. We should fly further. Guys, everything is ready to make another drawer. Let's do it.
I've already glued and smoothed up textures for ya.
You saved us a few minutes, and I'm gonna speed up a bit more. Chop, chop. Guys, check these out. Which one do you like more? Tell us.
The one with more space for accessories. Come on.
Oh, look what we have here. It's a cute purple box. First, we'll embed the lower drawer inside like this. Then goes the upper one. Come here, buddy. Good drawer.
Susie, can I embed this one? Please, 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 please.
All right, I can't resist. Here you go, but don't rush.
Okay. Ha! Come on. What? Ah!
I'm holding it. Crawl out, Sammy.
I'm safe. Guys, believe me, it's not as scary as pizza with cheese.
Yeah, Sammy can't stand cheese. Do you have other fun facts about yourself for the new viewers?
I love animals. Say hi to this ducky. It's my favorite. Say hi, too.
Hey, your ducky summoned a pack of dividers for our organizer. Cool. Let's place them inside.
Susie, we need big sections and small ones too. Can they all squeeze in?
Let's find that out. Actually, we always find solutions, right? The last 2 small sections, and this is the result.
Holy cannoli, we can finally fill it up. Start with the rings.
Not yet, Sammy. We have to make special rolls for the rings.
Rolls! Shall we cook something? No, this is something magical, right?
It will defo have a stuffing made of sponge.
Shiver me cheddars, that was unexpected.
First of all, we'll carefully cut a cylinder shape out of it. One more here. Smoothen up. And it's done. Easy peasy.
And then we'll cover it with a piece of felt. Roll, Susie.
I'm working on it. Making 6 more will be much easier.
What? 6? I'm feeling weak in my slimy knees.
Hey, Drama King, cut it out. We'll make them. Whoosh and whoosh in one slide.
That was much faster than I thought. Guys, place them in the longest section.
Yep, and stay tuned. We've prepared a few more organizing hacks for you. Sammy, what are you doing wearing all these?
We still don't have the hangers for jewelry, so I decided to be it myself. Susie, help me out.
All right, stand still. I suppose it's a piece for a hanger, right?
Yep, but we also need some sewing pins with a round pouch.
Oh, great. Did you mean these pins? I prepared some earlier just in case. Here we go. Guys, carefully stick them into the cardboard strip. Be careful with the sharp tips. And the last one. Now we're gonna glue it to the inner side of the lid, just a bit above the middle. The hanger is ready. Awesome.
Okay, we have some space now, but still, we have this many bracelets to hang.
Then we should make another hanger, but with a different design. Do you maybe have any ideas?
I'm your night designer to save you from extra job.
What would I do without you? Let's place these under the first hanger. Check this out. Here. And over here. Great job. What about the hanger itself then?
Susie, why are you staring at me like that?
Aha! The solution came on its own.
What are you? How?
See? This straw is perfect to make a hanging rack. But opening the drawers is quite inconvenient. Knock knock, hello?
Susie, honestly, we just need to add pretty handles. Aha! Check this out now.
Wow, you certainly are a slick slime. Looks just right. Hey, these sections weren't here before. When did you...
My big secret, haha. Guys, you should make these too.
We're at the finish line. Let's make the limiters for the lid. Take 2 even pieces of the satin ribbon and attach them to both sides of the box, connecting it with the lid.
Here comes my favorite part, organizing accessories inside. Whee!
Jewelry fans, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget about the ring rolls. Oh my Tibidabo, now I have rings for parties, for shopping, for dates. Let's use each hanger for a different kind of jewelry.
What about random stuff like this? I can't find the best option for them.
For those, we have a hand rack. Whoosh! Just listen to how they dangle. The upper sections are filled up. Let's move on to the drawers. Wow, Sammy, you did it in the blink of an eye. And here we have nothing.
I left the second drawer to fill it together, Susie. Whee! Guys, let's look at it together, and then I'll show you my whole jewelry collection.
Phew, what a celebration! Can't imagine what we should do next.
Guys, any ideas? Oh, maybe we should make a big statue of me.
Or should we reveal my face? Would you like that? Give us a thumbs up then.
Or Roger's face. Wait, we haven't called him for a celebration party. No, it's him.
Oh.
Susie, hurry up. Let's pretend we aren't home. And hide the organizer.
Guys, I think that was it for today. See you soon.
Don't tell Roger anything!
See you in the next video. Bye, guys.